and we would go whenever a Jewish theater came. I remember several things, I think. One that really stuck with me was a thing called Mirele Efros. Mirele Efros was a woman, when her husband died, she took over the business of selling fabrics. And she was very popular with Christians and non-Christians, and she was honest and reliable and competent, and she was very good at it. And her children always married, she had 4 or 5 children, they all married people in wealthy families. So the youngest son, she decided, should marry someone from a poor family. And he was introduced to this girl from a poor family. And she turned out to be the worst daughter-in-law ever. She very quickly saw a successful business, and she encouraged her husband to take it over from the mother. And the mother was never told this directly, but by many ways she saw what was going on. So she said, okay, you want the business? Here, have it. Well, they couldn't function in the business, and pretty soon they lost customers and the business wasn't doing well. And then they came back to ask the mother to come back to the business. So this is the essence of that story, but I never forgot it.
So there was a theater in Dubienka, or?
There was a theater, but the performances were very rare, and when they would come, there was a theater. But they traveled to different towns.
And were the plays in Yiddish?
Yiddish.